welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystem LLP, your ultimately source of all ERP system. Today we will discuss about code profiling using graph method. Code profiling method is help to developer to analyze the performance of that code. This code profiling output generate a graph triggering by methods. Using this method, it's produce a graph using gprop tool and display a graph using x.tool. tool. So let's start. For creating a particular method graph, you need to add a profile in your method. Here I have already created a profile. So for for this, for using a profile file, for creating a profile file, you need to mention here add profile and add the path of module and then prof.profile. And from udo we are importing a profile. So let's see, when we trigger a action confirm method, prof.profile file is generated. So let's see. So for that I have created a new cell order. And trigger a action confirm method using confirm button. So let's see, check and check. Here prof.profile file is generated. So using this prof.profile, we have get the method of produce a gprof tool using gprof tool. So run this prof.profile using gprof tool. So here is the method to perform our gprof prof.profile, run our prof.profile in gprof2 dot method. If you have create for first time, you need to install a gprof2 using sudo pip install gprof2 dot. I have already created, so I have directly run this. So our prof.x file is generated here. Here you can see our prof.x file is generated. For create a graph, you need to run this x.file, prof.x.file. So using this method, you can create a graph. If you have a create a first time for for a graph, you need to install some dependencies like gi, python g object, pycrypt, gr1 to 1.2 and gtk k 3.0 and sudo install x dot. So let's run the second. In first, we have gpropt dash f pstat dash o and our module and create a prof.x file, and here we have a path for run for file prof.profile. For same in x dot we have to mention x dot and create a and path the our module and uh, our file prof.x dot. So let's run it and check it. Here you can see our graph is display using prof.x file. You can check and analyze your method using prof.x file. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our channel.